Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Guddu Talks. If you are in the process of moving to the UK as a student and are a conjus just like me and looking for an accommodation which suits best to your lifestyle, this video is for you. This video is not a paid promotion and a genuine opinion of mine after experiencing a year as a student. So without a further ado, let's get started. Today I am going to talk about IQ Stephenson House, which is located in the heart of the city of Newcastle. They have their branches not only in Newcastle but other major student cities across the UK. More practical and insightful information about them at the end of the video. First, let's take a tour of my favorite student accommodation. So this was the space outside the flat, which is quite nice because me and my friends used to play cricket in this area. Let us get into the room. This is my room, which comprises of a queen size bed, a small drawer cabinet, a spacious cupboard, a study table with a chair and a notice board. This room is good enough for a simple individual like me. Also, I prefer a roadside view. This offers that as well. The flat usually comprises of 5 to 7 people sharing 2 washrooms and 2 bathrooms, just like this one. Now, this is the living room plus the kitchen. It's quite spacious enough, but the storage capacity in the kitchen may be limited for 5 to 7 individuals at times. This is the laundry. The washers cost you £3.4 per wash and the dryers £1.8 per dry. That comes up to £5.2 per laundry cycle. You can plan them as per your preference. I personally use them very rarely because I wash my clothes myself. Right adjacent to the washing room is the study space. I love the lights here. This is my favorite area, the TV room with the telly, of course, with the comfortable couches and bean bags to chill and relax. This is the play zone, which comprises of a pool table, a TT or the ping pong table as the British call it, a foosball game, and also a Bluetooth music system to play the music as per your mood. Apart from all these, there is ample space to park your bicycles, which are free to use by the way. But if you are a car owner, you need to pay a certain amount to park your vehicle. Now let's talk about the numbers. So there are a variety of rooms named as bronze costing you £76 per week, silver £82 per week, gold £85 per week, and platinum for £91 per week. The room which we saw in this video was a gold room. Apart from these, if you do not want to share your flat with anyone, there is an option of a one bed apartment which can cost you £170 per week. You can find more information about the accommodation on their official website. The link is in the description. This was the information about the accommodation, but trust me, it's very important to have a grocery store, a pharmacy, and a food or a coffee shop in the vicinity of a student accommodation. And this accommodation ticks all these check boxes for you. With a Tesco Express and cash withdrawal machine, a pharmacy, a Subway at the doorstep of this accommodation. Please do check these facilities while selecting your accommodation in any city you go in the world. IQ Student Accommodation, the owner company of the accommodation, are a famous brand in the UK, known for their accommodations in most student cities in the UK like Birmingham, Bristol, Coventry, Edinburgh, Glasgow, London, and many more. You can find about all of these cities on their official website. Link is in the description. And that was the video, guys. I hope this helps you make a checklist of the things you need to check while booking an accommodation for yourself. If you find this video informative, do share it to as many aspirants who can benefit from it, and do subscribe to our channel to help the YouTube algorithm to help others. Thank you so much.